Good morning, children. We are entering into a new session in the determinants, and we are solving so many problems in this session. And observe, we are going to solve all the problems by using the properties of the determinants. You should remember all the 6 properties what were discussed in the previous class. We have to discuss. Already we are discussing now. Now here we are discussing the problems based on the properties. And here you have to remember we have to go for the row operations and column operations, and we have to obtain number of zeros in single row or column. Okay, if number of zeros more zeros means expansion is become very easy, otherwise they are going to be converted into the required form. Now example, observe there what the question is given. Prove that data of a, 2a, 3a, a plus b, 3a plus 2b, 6a plus 3b, a plus b plus c, 4a plus 3b plus 2c, 10a plus 6b plus 3c is equal to aq. First to write what is given. What is given? Given delta is equal to, write as it is, that is a, 2a, 3a, a plus b, 3a plus 2b, 6a plus 3b, and a plus b plus c, 4a plus 3b plus 2c, 10a plus 6b plus 3c. Now we have to go for the row operations or column operations. But just have to think whether we have to go for row or column means, here you can see a, you can see 2a, you can see 3a. That means you can row operation is become easy, no? Now what operation I am going to observe there, R2 gives rise to R2 minus R1. But what you are going to get? A minus 2a, minus a you are getting. That's why this is 2a, no? Coefficient of R1 it become 2. Now R2 minus 2R1. Now it becomes 2a minus 2a, it becomes 0 or not. Further, another operation also. R3 gives rise to R3 minus R1. What is the coefficient of here? Here 3 is there. That's why I am writing here 3. R3 minus 3R1. Now 2a minus 2a, it becomes 0. 3a minus 3a. Our aim is that one only, no? Therefore, what you are going to get observed there here? A plus b, a plus b plus c, 2a minus 2a, here 3a minus 3a, and here what is there? 3a plus 2b minus 2a minus 2b, here 6a plus 3b minus 3a minus 3b, and here it is 4a plus 3b plus 2c minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c. Here it is 10a plus 6b plus 3c minus 3a minus 3b minus 3c. Now here observe there what you are going to get. First column is a, 0, 0. Second column is a plus b. Here 2b plus 2b minus 2b gets cancelled. 3a minus 2a is a. Here plus 3b minus 3b gets cancelled. 6a minus 3a is 3a, and a plus b plus c. And here 2c gets cancelled. You will get 4a minus 2a, 2a, and 3b minus 2b plus b. Here 3c gets cancelled. 10a minus 3a, 7a, and 6b minus 3b plus 3b. You can expand here also. Further also, if you want, you can go for one more operation. I am going for one more operation to show one shortcut here. R3 gives rise to, what I am doing, observe there. R3 gives rise to R3 minus 3R2. Observe there. Here 3a is there, here is there. 3a minus 3a, no? That's why R3 minus 3R2. Then what you are going to get, observe there. First row you are not did any operation. A plus b, a plus b plus c. Here 0, a, 2a plus b. Now this one is 0 minus 0, 3a minus 3a, 7a plus 3b minus 6a minus 3b. Now here what you are going to get, observe there. Here you are going to get a plus b, a plus b plus c, 0, a. Here what you are got, 2a plus b, and 0, 0, and this minus 3b plus 3b gets cancelled, 7a minus 6a, a. Now here why went for this method means, here what you got, observe there, in the matrices we have discussed one matrix, that is upper triangle matrix and lower triangle matrix. And remember one directly expanding, upper triangle or lower triangle are diagonal matrix. Upper triangle, or that means triangular matrix, or diagonal matrix. You are going to get determinant is the product of the elements of principal diagonal. Now what is the elements of the principal diagonal? A into A into A cube you are getting. But further if you want also, you can write it as expanding with column 1. What you are going to get? A into det of, what you are going to get, this one, removing this row and column, what you are going to get? Okay, what you are going to get, removing this row and column, you are going to get, this one is a 2a plus b, a 2a plus b, and 0 a, and minus 0 plus 0. That is equal to a into, if you are expanded this one, a square minus 0, that is equal to a into a square, that is equal to a cube. This is the delta they are asked, this one only, no? Next one is without expanding. Without expanding, prove that det of x plus y, y plus z, z plus x, z, x, y, and 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. They are asked this one. Here simple way, first write the given one. Delta is equal to x plus y, z 1, y plus z, x 1, z plus x, y 1. Simple method I am going, observe there. So many are there. In the determinants you can solve so many problems into so many ways. But this is here I am taking very simple way. That is, here I am going for, observe there. Here x plus x y z, x y z, x y z. No, that's why I am writing here. R1 gives rise to R1 gives rise to R1 plus R2. R1 gives rise to R1 plus R2. If I went going for that method, then what you are going to get? X plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, and this is x plus y plus z, and this is as it is you are going to get, and remaining as it is a z, x, y, 1, 1, 1. Now what you are going to get? Taking common. Here what you have to take common? Observe the first row. What is the first row? In all elements are x plus y plus z is there, no? That's why here what to write? Taking common x plus y plus z from R1. Clearly you have to mention. So many people, they are not writing what they are doing operation directly they are doing, but if you write these steps, it become very good, impressive. That is x plus y plus z. Taken det common 1, 1, 1, z, x, y, 1, 1, 1. Now observe beta, one of the property were completed. If two rows or columns are identical, then determinant is 0. Therefore, here x plus y plus z into 0. Since C1, C3 are same, okay, identical. Therefore, something into 0, 0. That is delta is equal to 0. You got or not? This is the one more problem to without expanding solve this one. Next one is another problem is there. Here, without expanding, they will ask that is prove that 1 A B C 1 B C A 1 C A B is equal to A minus B, B minus C into C minus A. And observe there, this type of problems you are going to get the same wording, but in the terms of x, y, z also you will get that. What you are going to get? 1x, xy, 1y, 1yz, that zx, like that you are going to get. You have to prove that one is x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Here observe there, first what I said, m is to make number of zeros. Okay, before making number of zeros, here a is there, here b is there, and here b is there, here is c is there. That's why here a minus b and here is b minus c. That's why I am going operation. First to write the delta is equal to 1 1 1 AB C BC CA AB. Now I am going for operation. R1 gives rise to R1 minus R2. R2 gives rise to R2 minus R3. Then what you are going to get? 1 minus 1 A minus B, BC minus CA. Next 1 minus 1 B minus C, CA minus AB, and 1 C AB. Now here observe there, 1 minus 1, what you got? 0 0 1 A minus B, B minus C, C, and here what we can take, observe there, common. C is, if I am taken common C, minus C I am taking common. If I am taken minus C common, then I will get A minus B. Here I am taking common minus A, then I am going to get B minus C and AB as it is. Now observe what you can take common from row 1, A minus B, and here also A minus B is there. Here B minus C, B minus, that means you can take B minus C common from row 2. That is only have to put in the wording form. That is, here what you are going to write, taking common A minus B from R1, B minus C from R2. Then what you are going to get? That is, you are going to get a delta is equal to A minus B into B minus C into delta of, what is there, observe there here, 0 1 minus C, 0 1 minus C, and 0 1, and you are taken minus A common, minus A, and next one is 1 C AB. Further also, if you want, you can go further, but I am going directly expanding with respect to column 1. This is the plus minus plus. Therefore, you are going to get A minus B into B minus C into 0 minus 0 plus 1 into, what is the determinant by removing the row and column? 1 minus C, 1 minus A. That is nothing but here A minus B into B minus C into, here what you are going to get, observe there, here 1 into minus A, minus into minus plus C. That is nothing but A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Here we are moving one more example, that is det of B plus C, B, C, A, C plus A, C, and A, B, A plus B is equal to, we have to prove 4 A, B, C. Now I have first write that delta is equal to what they are given, B plus C, B, C, A, C plus A, C, A, B, A plus B. Okay, you can solve this problem in so many methods. First I am going in a simple way, that is R1 gives rise to R1 plus R2 plus R3 I went. Then what we are going to get, observe there, you are going to get this one is data of R1 gives rise to R1 plus R2. That means B plus C plus B plus C. Observe there, B plus C plus B plus C, A plus C plus A plus C, A plus B plus A plus B. That is nothing but 2b plus 2c, no? That's why you can write 2 into b plus c, 2 into a plus c, 2 into a plus b. By that means as remaining as it is b, c plus a, b, and c, a plus b. Now here what we can take common, observe there, if I am taken 2 common from, that is 2 common from R1. Now what you are going to get? 2 into b plus c, a plus c plus a, and a plus b, and b, and this is c plus a, and this is b, and this is c, and this is a plus b. Here we can make some zeros here. Now R1 gives rise to, that is I am going for the R2. R2 gives rise to R2 minus R1. Then what we are going to get, observe that 2 into det of b plus c, c plus a plus b. Now this is b minus b minus c plus a minus c minus a, b minus a minus b, and c, and next what you are going to get, observe that here another operation also can do. R3 gives rise to R3 minus R1. Here if you go for this one, c minus b minus c, c plus c minus c minus a plus b minus a minus b. Then what you are going to get, observe there, 2 into det of b plus c plus a plus b. This is b gets cancelled minus c. Here c gets cancelled minus b. And here what you are going to get, plus a, both are gets cancelled 0. And you got the c gets cancelled minus a. And this is b gets cancelled minus a. And this is 0. Now expand with any row or any column. You are going to get, observe there, what I am doing here now. Column, that is expanding with respect to row 1. Therefore 2 into what you are going to get, b plus c into det of, this is 0 into 0, 0 minus a square minus c plus a into what you are going to get, 0 minus and minus, plus into minus, minus ab plus a plus b into what you are going to get, ac minus 0. Expand this all. If you are expanded that one, what you are going to get, 2 into, if you are expanded with b, that is a square b minus ca square, and this one is minus into minus plus, that is plus abc, and minus, minus and minus plus, no, now this one is plus a square b, that is a square b. Next one is plus a square c and plus abc. Now observe there, what you are going to get, this is actually minus a square b, and this is minus, okay. Now this is minus a square b plus, this minus a square b plus a square b minus, this one also you can write for comfort c a square. Now minus a plus a square minus a square gets cancelled, a plus b into a plus b, 2 into 2 abc, that is equal to 4 abc, hence proved. And one of the most important question, that means which is asked earlier, that is prove that det of 1 plus a 1 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c is equal to, you have to prove that abc into 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c, that is equal to 1 plus, here should be there 1 plus, that is equal to abc plus bc plus ca plus ab. They are asked this one. We have to prove. Now here first I am taking, observe this, here what they are given, delta is equal to 1 plus a 1 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c. Now here clearly we have to observe the a b c is there, that's why taking common a comma b comma c from C1, C2, C3 respectively. Then what you are going to get, observe there, if I have taken common A from the column 1, I will get 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by A, and this is 1 by A. And taken common B from row 2, that is column 2, that is 1 by B, 1 plus 1 by B, 1 by B. Now taking C common from column C, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 plus 1 by C. Now simple logic, go for that. That is operation R1, that is C1 gives rise to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then what you are going to get, observe there here, A, B, C into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Here also 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Remaining 2 as it is. 1 by B, 1 plus 1 by B, 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 plus 1 by C. Further, taking common. What you have to take common here? Taking common 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C from C1. Then what you are going to get, observe there, ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into date of 1, 1, 1, 1 by B, 1 plus 1 by B, 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 plus 1 by C. Now expand. Before expanding, we are going for some more operations. Here observe there, here 1 by 1 is there, here 1 is there. Here 1 by B is there, here 1 by B is there. Here 1 by C is there, here 1 by C is there. That's why I'm going for operations. That is R1 gives rise to R1 minus R2. R2 gives rise to, sorry, this is R2 gives rise to R2 minus R1. R3 gives rise to R3 minus R1. That means one ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into data of 1, 1 by B, 1 by C. Now this is 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now this 1 by 1 plus 1 by B minus 1 by B, 1 by B minus 1 by B, 1 by C minus 1 by C. And this is 1 plus 1 by C minus 1 by C. Now these 1 by B, 1 by B, 1 by B, 1 by B, the R gets cancelled. Now you are going to get ABC into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into data of 1, 1 by B, 1 by C. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 1. Now observe there, in the previous problem also we discussed this is the triangular matrix. Therefore what you are going to get determined is product of the elements, that is principal diagonal elements. Therefore 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C into 1. That is nothing but A, B, C into 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Further, if you are multiplied ABC into 1, ABC plus ABC by A plus ABC by B plus ABC by C. Now this A gets cancelled, B gets cancelled, C gets cancelled. You are going to get ABC plus BC plus CA plus AB. Hence proved.